Hi, how you doing? I'm Alan. I'm back again. I'm gonna be doing a little garden thing here. Not much. It's gonna be a short, probably a short video, and I'm gonna be wearing this to hold my phone while I'm doing this. And first thing I want to show you is I was trying to figure out. See, we get these squirrels running in the garden, my barrel garden, and try and dig stuff up. And I heard you can use cayenne pepper to sprinkle around your garden, but if you rain and water, that won't help because you have to reapply it. I got these habanero pepper seeds, or peppers, and my girlfriend cut them up a couple years ago, and she said she would never do that again. She wore gloves, she wore goggles, she wore a face mask, and was still burning into her skin. I know it's not funny for her, but anyway. What I'm doing now, I just planted this lettuce here. I'm trying something different a few days ago. And I'm not gonna water them because I'm just gonna put water inside of this tub here and just let it soak it up, see what that does. I also started lettuce seeds another way in this container here, and see if that helps. That was about a week ago, nothing yet. Last year, I used this part of the bed here for my lettuce, and it came up beautiful, bountiful. I had so much lettuce, couldn't eat it all. So far, I only got a couple little plants here. Hopefully they'll survive. And let's walk over here. See this, I planted this a while back, twice. And if you see here, something been trying to dig out my seeds. I think it was squirrels, so when I walk the puppies, I see squirrels running from the barrels over here. I don't think they messed with my tomatoes here yet. Yeah, they might have been digging over there, I don't know. And that one looks okay. Now these bell peppers, you can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but something been digging right here. This little divot right there. So I'm gonna smooth that back over. Yesterday I smoothed it over, and so I'm gonna put these seeds, these habanero seeds, over my garden. And if it works, you'll probably constantly keep them out. It's my watermelon here. These are our seed potatoes. So let me put my phone on my chest here, and I'll sprinkle some of this around with the glove. Let me cover this up too. So I got my phone on my chest. I love this thing. I don't use it often. I used to use it walking the puppies before I got my 360 camera. And it's just 360. This has still got a little ice on it because we had it in the freezer. I was gonna use it in my food, but it's just too darn hot. You'll dry out though. I just sprinkle a little bit. Need to thaw it out more. I don't think it's gonna hurt the plants none. Trying to point the camera and do this at the same time. So if the squirrels come in here, try to bite at it, they may just stay away. There's a big flop of ice here. I'm just going to set that down in there. I need to turn this camera a little bit more if I can. So stay tuned and we'll see if this works. Try to get all these peppers off my gloves. So maybe next year I'll buy some more habanero peppers, but I'll have to do it myself because my girlfriend won't do it no more. Kind of funny to me, not to her. If it starts burning me up, I won't laugh about it. Okay, we'll see what this does. And put some down here in my lower garden. Put this camera up a little bit here. Those was my cherry tomatoes. These are cucumbers. Never grew these before. These are pepperoncinis. Can probably start putting them in like some liquid and let them soak for a long time, and then you have hot liquid. I don't know. Oh, can't get the rest of that bag there. So I hope I gave you some information. I hope you like what I have, and I did start another channel. It's called Alan-Unleased, which is going to be half of mainly DIY gardening and stuff like that. But I had a thing on this one here on Alan to Everything, and I had a poll there, and I asked them, you know, do you want to see more puppies or gardenings or DIYs? And I had people voted for gardening, and somebody else voted for DIY. So I'm gonna try to have this on both my channels, and then DIY on my other one, gardening on both, and if YouTube allows me to, anyway. So stay tuned. Besides me walking my puppies on the Alan to Everything, I'll have some gardening tips, or how I do in my gardening anyway. And on the other one, gardening, DIY, and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you can keep up with my garden. And until next time, see you later.